Hey, how are all my hair comrades today? Rick here, happy to get on and make some introductions. I have something brand new in my hand, something that could be very exciting that I think would probably fit the bill for a lot of guys that I have talked to. Now let's say, what is this? I just got this box today from Superhairpieces. It's come shipped just like all the rest of them do, but here's what's interesting. This is called a ready to wear hair. Yeah, you heard that right. So what does that mean? That means this system is already cut to fit my template, my measurements. This already has a haircut. So nothing has to be done to this unit. Ready to wear. Totally ready to wear. It comes out of the box, goes directly on my head, and that's it. First time to ever see this. I haven't even taken this out of the box to look at it. And so I'm excited to do that. Let's see here. Here we go. And this particular unit is an M101V. The color I get is number 5 with 60% gray. The base has been cut and it has a haircut. And they asked me, out of all the choices on their website, which haircut did I think closely was like what I do to myself? And you can see I am sporting a bit of a new look. I've cut this a little bit shorter. So this is my old haircut, I'm pretty certain. And that's really good because I love that look a lot. So let's take this bad boy out of the box and see what we got. You can just get ready to wear, stick it on your head, and you don't have to worry about getting a cut in, which is not good for my business. What I did is I sent them a picture of an outline or of my template with the measurements across and up and down, and it's already cut to fit my template. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go take this off and put this on, and I'm gonna come back to you and we'll see what we have. Also, I am gonna step out and do something else different with the bond since it's wintertime and cooler, and just see what happens. I've got the Supreme Ghost Bond, and so I'm gonna give that a spin once again and see if I have better luck in colder temperatures. So hey guys, I will be right back and we will see how she looks. Hey guys, so I'm back. Literally, I've only been gone about 10 minutes, 15 at the very most. Put the new one on, ready to wear hair system from Superhairpieces. This is something new they're doing. Sent them my template measurements. I picked out a haircut from their website. It was number 333. That I thought most looked like what I do to myself. But overall, if it's something that you can make work, because I definitely can. I mean, this was like super easy. Superhairpieces did a great job on the haircut. It's blended well. I was a little worried right at first when I put it up that I'd sent them the measurements a little too short, that it wasn't gonna match up at the back, but it did all right. So this is kind of they have different haircut choices. It's not exactly a one size fits all by any means. And so I am gonna give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up here, because I definitely made this work. So hey, with the ready to wear hair, it was really convenient. I didn't have to cut any extra skin off the front. It was already cut to fit my template. It already had a haircut. And I simply took it out of the box and stuck it on my head. All right, there you go. There you have it. Rick's opinion on ready to wear hair. Have a great day and good hair. That can work. So I'm pretty happy. Take care.